Hi everybody. I have 3 days left before I get a new shoulder. I have to do laundry today. That was another thing I had to worry about, was what am I going to do? You're not going walking with me right away today because we have to go to the hospital and I have to do some testing that is for MRSA. And also they want my blood type on B positive. I already know that anyway, but they want to do it for themselves. So today we're going to be doing just small things around here. I don't know how much content I'll be able to post, but I wanted to talk about day 3. Later on in the video I'll talk about MRSA and what my experience was at the hospital prior to this, what this visit's all about. So it's called a pre-admission test, a PAT screening. So that's what I'm going for today, is a PAT screening. Pat me up. There is something else I have to make sure I have, and that's enough propane to heat my water. So I don't have enough to last me 6 weeks. I have enough to last me a month, but not 6 weeks. So I'm going to fill up my propane tank, which is right there. And I'm going to take it down to town with that, and then I'm going to stop and get my mail. And then from there, I'm going to go over the hill, and then I'll be going to the hospital. I might stop and have lunch somewhere today. That would be kind of nice, too. I don't know. We'll see. I need a sweater right now. It is nice outside, and we're headed off to Temecula, and I'm going to turn the camera around because the sled dog's gonna take me out again today. Will she be here when we get back? Shout out to David. He did a great job. Like at 7.1 gallons. And I have an account here at Fallbrook Equipment Rental. And I just go in and give my number and then I go home. So now there's a shortcut through town, and if I go this way, the big reveal. What do we got here? There had to be a half a pound of chicken in this tostado. For a minute I was thinking I was in a hotel lobby. Well, I am here at the hospital and I'm on my way to go in and take my test. But I've been sitting in my car watching YouTube videos because I was here really early. And I could be watching my own, but I was watching others. Well, we're on our way to get my pat down, my patient admission testing, and Temecula Valley Hospital is right behind me. I'm a bit early, so I have my mask. I don't think, there we go, you're allowed in without it. So, into the hospital we go. Well, I am finished with my pre-admission testing. It wasn't bad. They want a little bit of urine. They also want you to give some blood, and then you get an orange badge tag that you wear until the day of your surgery. And I got medicine to wash with, and everybody was great. And Tyler was my phlebotomist. Oh, I didn't feel it. He was the best. This was a great experience to make it a Valley Hospital. 10 out of 10. Wonderful. Can't wait to be coming in again, get the shoulder replaced.
Psychologist Dr. Keltman once had a student stand under a grove of giant...
You for listening and supporting KPBS 8.
It's not getting a whole lot of traction. So supporters of the proposal out here in California...
Well, I made it back home with my new orange bracelet. And tomorrow we are going to the farmer's market. We're going to drop off some product. I'm not going to hang around the farmer's market tomorrow. I'm going to go shopping at a big employee-owned grocery store, and they've got a lot of frozen food in there. I mean, some really good prices on frozen dinners. I think that's what I'm going to live on for a few weeks. That's about the easiest thing, because I cannot even lift a frying pan, so no cooking for a little while. And I just saw that big dog over there. Let's go see what's going on. He's got some goats out. Well, we're missing Sky. I guess she got too close to her home and they tied her up. Oh yeah, they do got their lambs out there today. No goats, they got lambs. Where's everybody going? The big guy, hey, how are you? Hey, you're such a handsome guy. Yeah, you're pretty. Oh, and you know it too, don't you? You just know how pretty you are. Oh, you do. You do. We have to get a little closer, but I can't pet you. You are a really pretty doggy. Yeah, you are. Oh, I just love that. It feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. I'm liking this. Yes, I am. I am liking this. Oh boy, you want more? Oh, give me more. Oh, give me more, please. Oh, please, if I look really pretty, will you give me more? Yes, you will. You good boy. Go watch your sheep. Oh, now you're gonna lay down and be silly, are you? Oh, okay. More, pet me more. Pet me more. Oh boy, you're a big guy. You are a big dog. Well, I'm gonna call that the ending of my video today. Who couldn't love something like that? Yeah, you. And with that happy note, I'll see you tomorrow.